Number 7, this is a titration question. And so it says we have a 30 ml sample. This is unknown, so we don't know what the molarity is. But we do know that it takes 0.1 molar NaOH, and it takes this volume of it in order to neutralize it. Here's the equation. Normally I wouldn't give that to you, but you're welcome. And we want to know what is the concentration of H3PO4. All right, so we know we need to end up with moles of H3PO4 over liters of H3PO4. So we're still going to start with what we know both the molarity and the volume of. So here, start with 26.38 milliliters. And we know that for every 1,000 milliliters, that's a liter, there are 0.1 moles of NaOH. Now, we don't want NaOH. Instead, what do we want moles of? H3PO4. So let's look in the equation and go ahead and change substances. In a titration reaction, you're going to be dealing with the same sides of the equation, just for future reference if you like to know that. 3 moles of NaOH are required to neutralize 1 mole of H3PO4. Okay, so look, we're mostly there. Now we have moles of H3PO4 in the top, so that's good. Now, we need liters on the bottom. Do we have a volume of H3PO4? Yes, we do. It's given in the problem. 30.00 milliliters. And we just need to convert that to liters. So moles over liters, these thousands will cancel out. Do not do this as a dilution. You will get the wrong answer. Don't do it. Do it this way. You have to use stoichiometry. You cannot do it as a dilution. A lot of you are going to try to do that. Don't do it. Divided by 3 and divided by 30. So let's go with 3 significant figures. So that gives us 0.0293 molar, or if you want to leave moles per liter, H3PO4.